Hey everybody, my name's Eddie. Today we're going to be talking about the no description scam. Okay, it's something that the uniform rental companies do to make sure that they have more and more leverage over you. It's already bad enough that they have a lot of leverage in their contracts, but this one even gives them a greater control. If I had a nickel for every time that a business owner said to me, no, that's okay, I'll negotiate the contract, I'm good with it. And then 6 months later, they call me back saying, hey, guess what? My prices were increased by 36%. You know, it's a little bit, it's not too late to do anything about it, but it makes it more difficult. So that's the reason why you hire an expert. But today we're talking about the no description scam. Okay, so this is typically, let's talk about the bar mops. So typically when you're gonna write your contract, it's gonna say something like bar mop, bar towel, terry towel, and that's it. It's just white. There's no other description. And so that gives uniform rental companies a lot of leverage over you. So I don't know if you know this, but in the industry, there are different size towels. What size towel is it? The most common sizes are 17 by 20. There's also a 16 by 19. And they do this to save money, obviously. You know, sometimes when instead of charging you more money for those potato chips, they just put less in the bag. And that's kind of really what we're talking about here. So, and then also the other thing is not just the size, but the weight of the towel. So they've got towels, good quality towels ranging from 32 ounces, and they have them all the way down to 20 ounces and 18 ounces. And it's just a really, really bad quality. And what does that do for you? So not only are they charging you for more towels, not only are they going to charge you inventory maintenance for losing the towel, but then they're also going to give you a towel that's not going to absorb as much as it should be doing. And so that needs to be identified. Other things, think about it. Aprons on the contract. Is it going to have pockets or is it not going to have pockets? Is it going to have a pencil thing in it or is it not? Is it red? Is it green? What color is it? Don't let it just say apron. This gives you more leverage so you can reject things when they give them to you. You can say, I don't want that. But the uniform rental company wants it in their favor because they want to be able to say, well, that just says red apron, so sorry, here you go. You know, we fulfilled our part of the bargain. What about wet mops? Wet mops also are bought by the uniform rental companies in ounces. How many ounces are you getting? What kind of a mop do they have to provide? Is it synthetic? Is it not synthetic? Is it 100% cotton? Is it not 100% cotton? Dust mops. Is it a treated dust mop or is it not a treated dust mop? So those are things that you need to consider when you're making your contract. One of the things that I do, it's really, really helpful when I'm negotiating uniform rental contracts for my clients. What I'll do is that when I talk to the salesman, I get samples, these samples right here, and I'll put them in a bag and I'll write down the salesperson that I talked to and I'll seal it, and I can use that and I can go back and compare it and say, look, this is what you told me that you were going to give me. So so this is what I required. And so, you know, this gives you more control. So guys, just be smart about it when you're signing up for your uniform rental contract. A lot of times right now it's too late, but the next time you have to renew, make sure you do that or call me and I can help you out with that. All right, talk to you later, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll be putting out more videos like this as we go. Thank you. Bye-bye.